Oh wow, it's real soft. I thought it was gonna like.
We untouchable, uncrushable. We untouchable,
Jakey,
uncrushable.
Hey y'all, welcome back to Dapper Diane. If this is your first time here, my name is Dorothy. It's nice to meet you. Go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe because we're gonna get into what I hope is a good video. I say that every week, but y'all, I be trying stuff out and I really hope it works out. But yeah, we're gonna make chocolate covered strawberries into a chocolate covered strawberry bouquet. That annoying noise behind me is my air fryer, but we're melting the chocolate while we are preparing the strawberries. I have washed them and pat them dry. Make sure you do that so that the chocolate will actually stick. Now I'm just about to skewer them so I can dip them real easy. As you can see, all of my strawberries are coated. Like I said, I had to warm up my chocolate in the air fryer because I do not have a microwave. The instructions call for a microwave. But yeah, my chocolate one came out a bit more chunky than my white chocolate one, which came out a bit more smooth, as you can see in comparison. And I have not done this in a while. Like, I used to make chocolate covered strawberries pretty consistently, especially when I lived with my family. But now it's my first time making them. So as you can see, the technique is not what it used to be or it's not as good as it can be. I will say the swirl ones are my favorite. These ones, we're just going to act like they're not there, you know, but they're still going to taste good. Now we're just going to put them in the refrigerator for all of them to cool, and then we'll put the bouquet together. I actually had to put those in the freezer because they did not want to go into my refrigerator. So yeah, they're in the freezer, and I'm going to spray this on them, which is edible dust, and I got it in the color gold. This was from Walmart and it was like $4. So I'm gonna spray them on my roses and see what they look like. And I've never gotten myself pink roses, so this is the first. I was hoping to find red ones, but they didn't have them, so I just wanted to go ahead and get the roses, especially while my strawberries were fresh. But oh wow, it's real soft. I thought it was gonna like oh wow, you have to spray it close. Wow, it's so pretty. I don't know, let me see. Look at that, guys. That is so pretty. So I guess if you want to step up your flower game, keep a little edible dust on you so they can look like this. That is so beautiful. So I don't know if I mentioned it, but we're gonna leave these strawberries in there for like, I'm gonna say like 20-30 minutes, just to make certain all of the chocolate is frozen and it's not gonna like drip off when I try to assemble it back together in the bouquet. Guys, it's probably been about 40 minutes. I got on TikTok and I got distracted. So hopefully these aren't like destroyed. We're good, we're good. They look so pretty. And I wish I could get this sticker off. I'm gonna try to get it off. I'll be back. Anyways, y'all, I also had a roll of ribbon, and it was red ribbon. Maybe it's not working out because it wouldn't match anyway, but I have some red ribbon to tie around the bottom so you wouldn't really like see that, but I lost it, misplaced it, so it's just not meant to be. But yeah, guys, this is how you overall make chocolate covered strawberries into a bouquet. So yeah, this is just in time for Valentine's Day. If you have a Valentine, I'll be my own Valentine. But yeah, guys, let me know if you try this out and how your Valentine likes it. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.
Bring it back now.